Welcome to Gear Grinders, where we bring you the latest and most exciting developments in the world of automobiles and motorcycles. Today, we're shifting gears to two wheels with a look at a returning legend in the Supersport world, the 2026 Honda CBR600RR. Revered for its precision handling, high-revving engine, and track-ready performance, the CBR600RR has long been a favorite among sport bike enthusiasts. For 2026, Honda brings back this icon with thoughtful refinements and updated technology that make it more compelling than ever. Let's take a closer look at what makes the latest CBR600RR a standout. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 CBR600RR continues Honda's commitment to sharp, aerodynamic styling with a refreshed fairing that echoes the brand's MotoGP DNA. The bodywork has been optimized for better airflow and downforce, offering both performance benefits and a sleeker look. LED lighting is now standard across the board, and new color options, including bold racing graphics and matte finishes, give riders more ways to express their style. The aggressive stance and compact tail section emphasize the bike's track-bred nature, while subtle tweaks improve rider ergonomics for street and circuit use. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the new CBR600RR is its high-performance 599 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, tuned for responsive power delivery and high-revving thrills. Paired with a quick shifter and refined 6-speed gearbox, the engine delivers an exhilarating experience whether you're carving corners or pushing lap times. Honda has updated the ECU for smoother throttle control and optimized fueling, improving both performance and emissions compliance. The chassis remains razor-sharp, with an updated inverted front fork and revised rear shock for enhanced feedback and stability. Whether you're a weekend canyon carver or a track day regular, the CBR600RR delivers in spades. Safety and technology. Honda continues to push the envelope with advanced rider aids and smart tech. The 2026 model includes an updated electronics suite with multiple ride modes, lean-angle-sensitive ABS, and a new 6-axis IMU for precise traction and wheelie control. The TFT display has been redesigned for better visibility and easier menu navigation, and it now supports Bluetooth connectivity for added convenience. Riders can monitor performance metrics in real time, while advanced safety systems help ensure confidence in varying conditions. Honda's commitment to blending performance with cutting-edge technology shines through in every detail. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CBR600RR is a welcome return of a fan favorite, striking the perfect balance between performance, control, and modern innovation. It stays true to its racing roots while offering the tech and usability today's riders demand. Whether you're chasing lap records or just craving that perfect apex, the new CBR600RR is ready to deliver. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews and updates.